Hi everyone, welcome to the session on Python tuples where I'll show you how to sort the list of tuples based on the first element, second element and the last element. So let's start. This is my list of tuples wherein I have the movies followed by the year of release. Okay, like we have the Titanic movie which was released in the year 1997, Matrix in 1999 and so on. So what we will do, we will first sort it based on the first element, like the name of the movie. Then we will sort it based on the like the year in which it was released, and also we will add some more so that we can sort it based on the last element apart from the second element. Okay, so let's start. This is my tuple. So what is my original tuple is, and I will print it simply. Okay, and then what I'll do, I'll execute this now. So this is my tuple wherein I have the movies followed by the year of release. Now what we need to do is we need to sort it based on the first element. So for that, what we will do, we'll say the movies dot sort. Okay, and after that we'll simply say print sorted list of tuple based on the first element. And then we'll say movie, what is the name of my tuple movie, and then after this what will give us slash n. So it will be very much easily, it will be viewable. Okay, so now if we execute this, okay, so one more thing I want to add is, even after this tuple also I will say I'll slash n will print a new line, and then I'll print this again. So what happens now, this is my original list of tuples, and this is the sorted list. So if you can see here, what are the name of the movies starting with TMSJMS. So the very first letter in all these is the Joker. So that's why the Joker name of the movie Joker, which was released in 2019, is in the very first element. Okay, after that comes the Matrix and Mission Impossible. Why? Because after M comes A, and in Mission Impossible after M comes I. So that's why it's taking, even the, if the first alphabet is the same, it will take the next alphabet and so on. Now what if I want to reverse this order? Okay, I am not I want to say that instead of the tightening going at the last, I want it to be at the beginning. Okay, so I'll copy this and then I will paste it here, and then simply I'll say there is a keyword reverse. We'll give reverse is equal to true. The moment you give reverse is equals to true, so sorted list of tuple based on the first element in reverse order. Okay, so again what we'll do, we'll execute this. So you can see here now Titanic is coming at the beginning and the Joker is coming at the end. So in this way, our first task, sort the list of tuples based on the first element, it is being done. Now what is the next task? Okay, for that, sort the list of tuples based on the second element. Okay, so what I will do, I'll comment this few lines. Okay, and then we'll start with the next task. So for this, what I'll say suppose movie list of tuples dot sort. Okay, sort is a method, and then inside that we'll use simply the lambda function. We'll say some key, okay, is equals to lambda, and then we'll say item colon item of 1. Okay, so the moment we do this, our list of tuple will be sorted based on the second. Why I have given here, see, lambda item, and item is nothing but it is taking each tuple. So what I am trying here is, if you see here properly, this is what I'm doing. I'm saying movie list is equal to a movie list of tuples dot sort, and then what I'm passing is key is equal to lambda item colon item, and then I'm passing index as 1 because I want to sort it based on the second element. Titanic, if you see, the name of the movie is my 0th index, and 1997 will be my first index. That's why if you pass here 0, then it will be again sorted based on the first the zeroth index, which is nothing but the name of the movie. So let's execute this. Okay, so if you see here, this is like it is being sorted in the ascending order. The very first movie in our list is Shawshank Redemption, because it came is a very the cult classic movie, and it came in the year 1994, followed by 96, and then Titanic, the most romantic movie, came in the year 97, and so on. But if I say I want to view this in a reverse order, then simply what I have to do here, I have to pass the parameter reverse is equals to true. Okay, you execute this again. So you can see this is my original list, and this is my sorted list based on my second index. Okay, you can see here Shawshank Redemption, and the last movie in the list is 2019 came the movie Joker. Okay, and if you see here, sorted list based on the first. Okay, I will change this wording is incorrect. Second element in the reverse order. Okay, we'll execute this again. So now you can see the sorted, this is my original tuple, this is sorted list of tuple. The very first movie in the list, the very first tuple in the list is Shawshank Redemption, and the last is Joker. But if you see, the moment I have done it in a reverse order, the very first tuple is for the movie Joker, and the last is for the movie Shawshank Redemption. Okay, so I hope you are understanding what I am trying to explain here. After this, the next task is to sort the list of tuples based on the last element. Now, what I will say here, I will take this and I'll add one more column here. Okay, and the previous code I will comment everything. Control / and it will be commented. Okay, now what you do, you add one more column and just add something like how much business is it. Just say Titanic has done a business of $1,800 million. Matrix has done around 900. I am not sure, but I'm giving just some numbers. Okay, Skyfall has done a business of suppose huge. It was 1100 million. 1100. Joker, you say around 600. And then Mission Impossible, it did around surface, you say something, and Shawshank Redemption, though it just say 200. Okay, now what we will do here is, so this is my, and I'll take one more this print my original list. Okay, original list of array. So we'll execute this, and you can see my original tuple is this. Okay, along with the amount of money it has incurred at the box office. Now after this, what I will do, we will sort it, okay, based on the last element. So again, what we'll do, we'll take the same movie list is equals tuple.sort, and in this case, if you see here, this is my last element is what? There are 3 columns, right? If you see there, there are 3 items. So the index will be 2, okay? And if I can say print sorted list of tuple based on the last element. Okay, now we will execute this. Okay, so you can see here it is sorting based on the, so for Shawshank Redemption it's $200 million followed by 500, 600, 900, 1100, 1800. So it is absolutely correctly we are getting the value. Now what if in this case we have 3 elements and we were pretty sure, okay, this is the way how it can be done. Okay, now before going touching the other topic, what if I want to sort the list of tuple based on the last element in reverse order? Okay, in reverse order, so I have to add a keyword. Okay, and if I execute this, you can see here, right, The movie Titanic is the, like, in this is has done a huge business. So for it, it's 1800, followed by the next movie 1100, 900, 600, 500 and 200. Okay. Now, okay, if you see here, for this tuple, okay, I simply have 3 items, so I can say here item 2. Now what if I have n number of items and I cannot count it? In that case, if you want to calculate the last element, okay, the you want to add, you want to sort your list of tuple based on the last element, okay, then in that case you have to simply pass here the index of the last element is -1, which is one of the best thing in Python, and again here also you pass -1. Okay, so what I will do, I'll simply comment these 2 lines because we have already tested that now, and then we will execute this. Let's see. So you can see here we are getting exactly correct value when we use -1. Okay, and with -1 and with -1 item as index -1 and also with reverse is equals to true, and you can see here the maximum value followed by the next, and it is on the descending order, and here it is in the ascending order. So in this way we can use lambda function, and we can use the sort function of Python list, and we can do whatever we want. We can sort the list of tuple based on the first element, second element, and the last element. So thanks a lot for watching this session. If you feel this video is helpful, please press the like button and subscribe to this channel, and also please refer my videos to your friend. It will help me. Okay, so I'll see you in my next video, which is related to the, I have around 10, I have figured out around 10 to 15 topics in tuples that will definitely help you in the interview. So I will see you in my next video. Thank you.